Hello, and welcome to a demonstration of North Star Academy's languages programs. At North Star, we offer Chinese, French, Latin, Spanish, and American Sign Language. Today, I'll be taking you on a quick tour through some of our French 1 and Spanish 1 lessons and activities, so you can see what your student can expect in our courses. Students access the language courses through our learning management system, Buzz. Let's take a look at a typical unit in French 1. At the beginning of each unit, you'll start by discovering an interesting and unique aspect of the culture of the language you're studying. Sometimes this means looking at a slideshow, watching a video, reading information, looking at a map, or taking a survey. The culture lessons give students an opportunity to compare something about life in their country with life in France, whether it be through transportation systems, food, shopping, sports, or activities. Next, you'll practice new words and sounds. This is where you'll learn to pronounce new vocabulary words. In this course, it always involves listening to native speakers pronounce the words first and then practicing yourself. In this unit, for example, you'll learn to count in French. You'll listen to the audio and practice pronouncing these words. A feature that's really fun for beginners is the ability to record your own voice and see immediately how your accent is developing.
6.
After doing practice exercises with the new vocabulary, you'll take a quiz and then submit a voice activity. In the voice activity, you will send an audio recording of yourself saying the new words that you've learned. Each unit also contains new grammar concepts that you'll practice and use. You'll also be able to submit a written assignment that shows your teacher that you know how to write in French. At the end of each unit, approximately every 4 to 5 weeks, you'll take 2 unit tests. A speaking test, and then a multiple choice test that assesses your reading and listening skills as well as your grammar. As you can see, the Spanish 1 course is similar. If we look at a typical unit in Spanish 1, we'll see the introduction with the cultural component. You'll see cultural lessons and games in which you can practice what you're learning. Here's an example of an engaging grammar lesson in Spanish 1 on definite and indefinite articles. Students go through the slideshow to see and listen to new words and learn how they go together in a correct sentence. Then they do an activity to practice putting the words together on their own. Vocabulary and grammar lessons are incorporated into the cultural component as well. For example, here, students use their new vocabulary related to the school classroom to discuss comparisons and contrasts between schools in Costa Rica, Honduras, Nicaragua, and the United States. Similar to the French 1 course, at the end of each unit, the student will have an oral test and a written test. Thank you for learning more about our languages programs. À bientôt! We hope to see you soon in one of our language classrooms. Ciao!